smells like sweet perfume. It sure smells good on you.
What's up, everybody, and welcome back to It's Layers to the Scent. My name is Paris, and if you're new to the channel, feel free to subscribe in the opening because the dry down is going to be amazing. I know it's been a minute since I dropped a video, you guys. A lot has been going on in my life. I'm not gonna get all into it, but these are the sweetest scents that I own, the sweetest things in my collection. If you've seen any of my previous videos, you know that I do not like just simply sweet fragrances like spun sugar, you know, stuff like that. I can't do it. It get on my nerves. If someone walks past me and they just like smell overly sweet, I'm just like, you know what I'm saying? It's just not for me. So no shade, no judgment. If that's what you like and it works on your skin, cool. It just doesn't work on my skin nor for my nose because my nose gets highly annoyed. With these scents, I have lotions and sprays that complement each other so that they're not too sweet, but these are sweets that are tolerable for me. Gourmand girl, but not spun sugar girl. Not here for those vibes. Don't like it. Don't want to walk around smelling like an easy bake oven. I'm grown. Okay, so let's get right into the video. This lotion in my collection I love, and everybody else loves it. And if you're a vanilla fan, you probably have it. It is EOS's Vanilla Cashmere lotion. It's just really, really good. The first time I smelled it in the store, I thought it stunk. I was just like, this stinks. How do people like this? I don't understand it. I saw it in like a hygiene video and I was like, oh, I should try that. I mean, because she just kind of like talked about it in passing. And I was like, oh, it has vanilla in it. I should smell it. So when I went to the store to smell it, it smelled so bad, and I was like, see, this is one of those things that become a trend and everybody just buys it because one person said it smelled good on them. But I soon realized that it was just like, I was like, either it's a bad batch or this is probably what happened. Someone bought it, emptied it out, put a funky lotion in it, and took it back to the store, and they put it back on the shelf. That's what it smelled like. But when I went back, I was with my mother and I was like kind of making a joke. I was like, Mom, smell this lotion. I don't know why people like it. Like, you gotta smell it. It's trash. She smelled it. Like, she opened it up. She was like, ooh. And I was like, it's bad, right? And she was like, no, it smells really good. I was like, let me see this. And I smelled it. I was like, what? How, Sway? How I go from that to that? And then the more I thought about it as I walked around the store, I was like, somebody got slick. Somebody loved this lotion, but they couldn't afford it and brought it back with another lotion inside of it. But this smells so very good. I love the combination of vanilla and cashmere. You can't go wrong. It's like a soft, sultry type of vibe, but then you still get that little sweet vanilla. And honestly, if it wasn't for the cashmere, this would be too sweet for me. It just really would. But the cashmere is balancing it out so very well. And the spray that I actually like to layer on top of this lotion is Comptoir Pacifique, and this is Extreme Vanille. This was a blind buy, and I do not make blind buys over $100 because everybody's skin is different. I can't go off of your word, and oftentimes if I can't go to a store like Sephora or Macy's or whatever and smell it myself, I won't buy it online. But if it's under $100 and it has like crazy reviews or whatever like that, I will give it a try. And this, it does smell good, but it's too sweet for me. If you like sweet vanillas, it's perfect. It's vanilla to the extreme. That's the name of it. So you will like this. But if it wasn't for this lotion, I can't wear this by itself. It's way too sweet. But something about this combination that just sets it off. I don't know what it is, but I know that cashmere in this really comes through on my skin, and I think that's what helps balance this sweetness out, is that cashmere is just so strong. It comes off on my skin. I don't know why. It's a lotion, but it acts like almost like a fragrance. I can just wear this and it lasts on me all day, and I can smell it all the way into the night, where it becomes more of a skin scent. But the cashmere with this, so good. What's funny is that this fragrance right here smells exactly, when I say exactly, I mean identical. I don't mean just like one of those, it's a dupe, but this is different, this note is different, and it's just a little bit more this. No, it's exact to this lotion, which is OGX's Shea Soft and Smooth Lotion. Again, if you know about vanillas, if you love vanillas, you've either heard about this or you have it. And when I tell you, if you love this lotion, you will love this perfume. And if you want to pair them together, it's gonna be this times like 100. Like, no question. Put these two together, it's this to the extreme. For me, way too sweet. I cannot even use this lotion by itself because it's way too sweet for me. It is decadent and it does smell like vanilla frosting. But for me, I'm not a person that likes to go around smelling like vanilla frosting. I don't want to smell like a cupcake. I don't want to do it. So I can't have something on that is that decadent. But the lotion does smell really good, and I give it respect for what it is and why people love it. And I know that it's me. It's not you, it's me. It's just way too sweet. So I have to balance it out with Beach Nights by Bath and Body Works. I think something about the driftwood and the sea salt and the chocolate in this, it goes so good over this lotion, to where this is not too sweet. And I believe it's just that sea salt and that driftwood that balances it out perfectly to where this is tolerable for me. Because without this or any other perfume or spray to layer on top, there's absolutely no way I could wear this by itself. So Beach Nights, if you have this and you have Beach Nights, try this. You're gonna smell like a nice sexy s'more. Honestly, you're gonna smell like a sexy s'more. It's just what it is. If you don't know the notes for this, I'm gonna read them for you. It's toasted marshmallow, sea salt breeze, s'mores accord, beach driftwood, and creamy vanilla. That sea salt, that driftwood cuts right through this extra sweetness and just melts. It does melt, and you smell like a sexy s'more. So you have these two, try this layering combination out. All right, y'all, so the next one is actually one of my favorites. It was a pleasant surprise to smell, and I find myself reaching for this a lot, like a lot, like over other things. I don't know what it is about this smell. I'm not normally a sweet person, and I'm definitely not a fruity person, and this is both. So I don't know. But the spray is Cotton Candy by Body Fantasies. When I tell you, I ain't pay no attention to Body Fantasies because, you know, it's not that I don't want anything affordable, because we can always go for something affordable. I just felt like the other scents that I smelled before this smelled weird. They just smelled off. The one other one that I really loved was the vanilla one, and I have a couple of those, and I get them for $1. You can't beat that, right? But I use them as layering bases. I don't use them standalone ever. I just use them to enhance the vanilla that I'm going to layer on top. But other than that, they had a few other smells that I happened to spray. Some coconut scent, another sweet type of scent like a cupcake or whatever. I didn't like those. They just smelled like weird and synthetic, and I just didn't like them. But as soon as I sprayed this one, I said, oh, I'm grabbing all the ones off the row. which I did. This was just very, very, very pleasant. Ooh, it smells really good. I do get cotton candy, but it's like a strawberry cotton candy. Like a flavored cotton candy. You know how at the fairs or the carnivals, they'll have 2 different colors, you know what I'm saying, on the cotton candy or whatever. They've spun 2 different ones. It smells like one of them is strawberry, and I like it. It's very, very nice. It's playful, but it's still a little like, you know what I'm saying, it's like sensual, flirty. I like it. Oh. I literally can smell this all day. I remember I sprayed this in my bed, and I did not want to get out of my bed when I sprayed this in my bed. But a very, very nice perfume to go on top of it is Beyonce's Heat. This is called like Ruby Orchid. Don't quote me on it. If it's not the right name, you know I'm gonna put it right here. This smells so good. To this day, I done had this since it came out. Yeah, it's really good. One thing I'm not gonna do as often in these videos, if you haven't noticed, I'm not gonna list too many of the notes of the perfumes and stuff like that. I'm just gonna put them up for you guys to see because it kind of takes up a lot of time in the videos, and I know you guys like them short and sweet, so that's why I'm not gonna mention the notes for this. But all I can tell you is that it's perfect over this. It adds a sexy element to the fruity sweet that this gives you. I mean, it's a match made in heaven. I'm not gonna lie to you. It's flirty, it's sensual, it's sweet, gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous scent. You have to try these 2. If you don't have this, go to the dollar store. I think Big Lots might have these as well, but I get them from the dollar store. You can grab this easy. This, maybe not so much. They probably have it on Amazon where you can get it, or find a dupe for this and try these 2 out and tell me what you guys think. This is a beautiful, beautiful sweet combination. All right, you guys, so last in my collection of the sweeter side scents, tolerable sweeter side scents, is one of my absolute favorites. I think I've mentioned it in like every single video that I've done and I've uploaded so far. This is one of my absolute favorites. I told you guys I was gonna be reaching for this fall, and I've been using her up, okay? Victoria's Secret's Bare Vanilla Crystal. This is such a gorgeous scent. It's vanilla, it's musk, and it's amber. Simple as that, but it's one of the prettiest vanillas that I own. I like to wear it like when the air is cold and crisp, like not freezing cold, but just like has a little chill factor to it. Perfect for fall weather. This smells so good, smells so sexy. I've worn this just by itself and got compliments. So this lotion is the real deal. And what I like to pair with it is something that to me is just sweet by itself, but it's also sexy. It's so sexy, and I've gotten so many compliments from it. It's one of y'all's favorite from Bath & Body Works. It is Into the Night. Raspberry Noir, the amber crystals, which is perfect with this because this has amber in it as well. So they complement each other right off the bat with that amber, with the sweetness. This has like a mocha note. This has the vanilla, so they're perfectly paired. It just gives you a sweet, sexy, seductive vanilla. So very good. But I probably have to say, like, this combo is like my first favorite out of the sweets that I have. And then the cotton candy with the Beyonce Heat perfume would have to be my second. So if I'm rating them, this one first, this one second, this one third, and these 2 last. Yeah, these 2 last. Just because this lotion is not my favorite. It's too sweet for me. But that Vanilla Cashmere, Woo, child. It's really good. If you haven't tried her, it's as good as everybody says. It's as good as you've been hearing in every video, viral video, any video about vanilla. Just go ahead and get it. I promise you, it's really, really good. All right, you guys, that's it for today's video on all of the sweet things that I own in my collection. All the things that my nose can take without feeling away. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know in the comments what sweet scents you have that you like, or if you have any of these with different layering combos so that I can try them and see how they work on me and my skin. I appreciate you guys watching. If you like the video, make sure you leave it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Help grow the channel. And I'll see you guys in the next video. And remember, you cannot forge the signature when it's layers to the scent. Later.